This one, everything you finished, right? No problem, right? This one is okay, what?
No, 16. I thought that because these thingies are at the same angle, they will cancel out one another. Because they have the same force.
Yeah. The y-axis cancel, but the x-axis don't cancel.
So it will be like the diagram is like this, is it?
I don't know. How do you get the 10 here?
10 is,
They tell you.
yeah.
Oh. You don't have to do. This one is, they say initially at rest. That means these three here are all cancel each other already. Because they say at rest. You don't understand.
Oh, but it's at rest, then you act on it, right?
No. At rest, when you have three force.
Oh.
When you have force number 4, then it's not at rest.
The numbers is trick you one.
Yes.
So it's just in the direction of gx.
Yes.
Gx. Is it accelerate or constant speed?
But
accelerate.
Mrs. Cecil, the answer is D.
Let me check. We just initially. Okay. You want to calculate this one? We calculate them. Okay, we duplicate. Okay, duplicate already.
And why is it constant speed? Or why is it accelerated?
Okay.
Acceleration.
Okay. Wait.
Throw it all away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is just throwing. Okay. This one F1, yeah, which is how much? 50. Then this is F2. This is F3. 40. Then F2Y. F3Y.
Why is there F? Why?
Gravity and normal.
F2X and F3X. Yeah, can?
What is
this? Is 6.
Why do you split up the X?
F2X is the is
F2X
the friction?
No friction, no weight, nothing. The force is only 3. F1, F2, F3. That's all.
Then what is F2Y, FBY? Is that the normal force and the gravitational force?
No normal, no tension, nothing. Just 3. F1, F2, F3. Can?
Okay.
Okay. No weight, no tension, no friction, nothing. F1, F2, F3.
Really. It's because this guy and this guy cause this. That's why there's the arrow here.
Yeah.
When you move up and you move like this, then it causes
this. Every time you have, okay, F1, do you need to split? No need, because it's already on the X direction. This one, okay, I draw the X-axis here. This is the X-axis here. and this is the y-axis.
Mm.
Any force that is not on the axis, you split it into x and y. And how do you find? How do you find the value? Use Picasso.
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras and Picasso. Yeah, correct.
Mm.
Give me. This is 40 degree. Give me f2x, f3x. Calculate. Use calculator. Picasso. Yeah, give me f2, f3y. How much?
4.6.
Hmm?
Oh. Mm.
40 sine 60.
Mm-hmm.
Use degree mode, you know. Later use radian mode some more. 40 times sine 60 is how much? 34.64. Not degree lah, Newton.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my
Correct.
god, my brain's spoiling.
F2x and f3x. Yeah.
F2x is 20 newtons.
Yeah, 20 here, 20 here. Yeah, write down 20, 20. Yes, Ken?
Yes.
20, 20. Okay, this F2 and F3 remove. You know why?
Yeah.
Because we
Have
already
potential.
changed into two. We already split into two. That means the original don't have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
F2y and F3y cancel each other.
Mm-hmm.
So F1, F1, F2x, F3x plus extra 10 here. So F1 equals to 0.
Oh my god.
Why is it 0? Because 34.6 minus 34.6. Fx equals to 0. Because 20 plus 20 plus 10 minus 50, 0. Resultant equals to
0, right?
0. Mass, don't know.
Don't know.
Acceleration confirm 0.
Why is acceleration 0?
F equals to ma.
Oh.
F is 0 means a is 0.
Hmm.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Constant speed.
It moves in. How do we wait? Shouldn't it move in the direction of gx?
Direction of xg. You don't understand.
No.
Because
Before,
because
yeah,
because it's apply in the direction of gx. Push this.
before
Before
you
that,
add
it
10.
was,
Before is to the left.
yeah, it's xg, right?
Yeah, xg. Then a is something to the left here. After is 0. A is 0. So you already moved to the left, then you neutralize it. That means acceleration becomes 0. But you already, so it becomes constant speed, but it's still moving to the left. You don't understand.
What do you mean? What do you? I'm confused by this. Oh, there's a box. Oh, that's the object. Okay.
No, not the object. Empty space. Maybe 10 meter per second. Let's say depends on the mesh. But it's the direction guaranteed to the left.
Okay, so the initially before we put the 10 and to this side,
Yeah.
it's moving.
Yeah, that means fx is equals to 20 plus 20 minus 50 minus
Mr.
10,
Cecil,
which is to the left.
you mean before as in right when the 10 Newton force is applied?
Yeah, before 10 Newton is applied.
Okay. Fx. Okay, I get fx.
Wait, but if they say that,
No, really. I just look at his new explanation. Just look at fx and then remember that it's a vector. So negative 10 means it's moving in that direction. Okay, then after that, you add the 10, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
correct. This is up. This is before. This is after.
but wasn't it at rest before that? So why is it moving?
No. Rest is before you have the 3 forces.
Oh,
Understand?
oh.
Initially at rest, then you add 3 force, then you add 1 force.
Okay, I get. So because before you apply the 10, it's already moving in this direction.
Yes.
You apply the 10, it is not changing direction
Yeah.
because it's 0.
It just slows down into a constant
Not,
speed.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Can.
Okay.
And how are we supposed to do that like super fast?
Exactly.
First of all, how do you do super fast?
Mm-hmm.
60 is a spatial angle. Yeah. Cosine 60 is how much?
Cosine 60 is root 3/2. No, half.
So even without calculator, this 40, you know, is going to be 20 to the right, then 20 to the right.
Where do you get 20 from? Oh,
Because it's cosine. 40 cosine 60.
Okay.
You don't understand.
Because you take 40 divided by half. Because
40 times half, yeah.
okay.
Still don't understand.
Got it. Because adjacent. Got it. Okay, can. Let me write it out. Okay, can. Cos cosine.
Okay. Yeah.
Cos A over H.
Or you can quickly press now. Cosine 60. Cosine 60, then you get half.
Mm-hmm.
But how do you know you must use cosine? Wow, then the Tokaso must draw first. Must do faster. Wait, I explain here. F1. Then you have, this is x-axis and y-axis.
Mm-hmm.
F1x and F1y. Guarantee F1x less than less than F1.
Mm-hmm.
Guarantee? Confirm?
Yes.
Why, Lenny? Why is it smaller?
Because the hypotenuse is always bigger.
Okay. So F1 is always biggest.
Mm-hmm.
F1x and F1y guarantee smaller. Agree?
Yes.
Mm.
That means the original F1 is original. Then the X component and Y component guarantee smaller. Maximum you can get is the same. But that one is seldom done. Yeah? Okay, another one. Cosine something. Guarantee. Bigger than 1 or less than 1?
Less than 1.
Renee, no, you understand or not? Why is less than 1?
Wait. Cosine is wait. My brain is not working today.
Mr. Cecil, our math teacher is worse than all our previous science teachers, so you have to forgive us. This year, we really did not strike luck with our teachers.
Cosine is wait.
Cosine any number. Any number you put here,
Mm.
guarantee bigger than 1 or less than 1?
Less.
Less.
Yeah.
Less.
Yeah, less than 1.
Less than 1.
Less than 1.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about sine?
Also less than 1.
Less than 1. So F1 cosine something will be bigger than F1 or smaller than F1?
It will be smaller than F1.
Because you multiply with something less than 1. Like let's say this is 20. 20 multiplied by something less than 1, confirm smaller than 20 itself.
Oh yeah.
Correct? You multiply by something smaller than 1, then guarantee smaller. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Same. F1 sine this thing.
Yes.
Guarantee.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
No. So one of these is Fx and one of this is Fy. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes? Agree?
Yes.
Because Fx and Fy is smaller than the F itself.
Mm-hmm.
Now, which one is it? Very simple. The one that is touching the angle is cosine. 50 degree here. Who
Mhm.
touched the angle?
Adjacent.
The f1x here, touching the angle. Cosine. So f1x equals to f1 cosine 50. This is not touching. Sine. Memorize.
It's because cosine is a over h, right? So you're looking at
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
adjacent.
and adjacent is touching the angle.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. But sometimes they flip here, like for example, like this. Sometimes the x and y they tilt here. They tilt, then this one. Let's say this is x, this is y. F2, which is 30. Then this one is F2y, 35 degree. This is F2x. Give me, press calculator. How much is F2x and F2y? The one that is touching the angle is what?
The one that's touching the angle is cosine.
Cosine.
And
Do
90 minus 35.
press.
24.57.
And what is that?
That is F2y.
Good. Give me F2x.
Wait, my screen's not loading.
17.2.
Good. Yeah, can? Easy. What if they give you the x and y? Instead, then they don't give you F1.
Can use Pythagoras again.
No, don't use Pythagoras. Don't use. Then this is F3. And somewhere you cannot use Pythagoras also. F3x is equals to 17. Okay, don't ask, don't speak and don't say anything. Don't say anything. F3 is bigger or smaller
F3.
than F3x. F3 is bigger or smaller than 17. You talk.
It's bigger.
Bigger. How to get something bigger? Divide by sine and cosine. You divide by numbers smaller than 1. Correct.
Can I use Pythagoras to find?
No, don't use. Don't complain. Don't complain. Do nothing. Do my way.
I'm so confused. Okay, so
Don't escape.
F3 is bigger than
Yeah.
17. Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
How to get something bigger than 17?
What do you mean?
You multiply by a cosine or sine something.
If
No.
you multiply, you get smaller
You get something
because
small.
cosine is smaller than 1.
Oh, you're asking to
Don't-
how to get bigger
Yeah, how to get bigger? You must get something bigger.
than F3.
Then 17.
Oh,
I'm
divide.
asking F3.
Divide.
Divide. Yeah, divide.
Uh-huh.
In this case, 17 divided by what number? Don't say
Cosine,
Pythagoras again.
cosine 25.
Yes. Why you choose cosine? Why you don't choose
Because
sine?
it's connected to the angle.
Yes.
But why? Wait. Give me some time.
Then press calculator. Give me the number.
17 divided by cosine 25. F3 is
Yeah, correct.
this should be called the Mr. Cecil theorem.
Yeah. Give me FTY. Give me FTY now.
F3y.
But
Mm.
Mr.
Okay.
So, isn't this just Pythagoras? Yes, right? Am I wrong?
How do you get Pythagoras? I give you only one number.
Like, but you gave me the angle and 17.
Yeah, the angle you must use Picasso.
Cosine 25 equals to A over H. And I know that adjacent
Okay,
is
okay.
17. So H equals to
Yeah.
17 over cosine 25, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can do that. Yeah. Okay. Give me FT. Give me FTY. Yeah, correct. Yes. Okay. You find this angle, so you use cosine because you want to touch the angle.
Yes.
Yes. Is that what you did? Yeah. Good.
Sarah,
Okay.
you get it?
Wait. For that one, if I use sine, I take sine 25.
F3 times sine 25.
Okay. But I can
Yeah.
just take the angle and use cosine, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If you like the cosine, because cosine means touching, then you can visually see touching. Yeah.
Wait, when do I
Some
use
student do that.
sine again?
Sine is not touching here. FGY is equals to FG sine 25 because the 25 is not touching FGY.
F3 sine 25. So
Mm.
F3y is F3
FG
times F3 times sine 25.
25.
But I
And
get
you multiply. And you multiply because
It's small.
because this one you're
we must get smaller.
yeah.
Got it.
Mm.
But I that's not the answer though. I got like 7.928.
Okay. Wait. 18.76 times sine 25. 7.98, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7.98. 7.90. Yeah. Okay.
So why is the answer different?
No, the first one is wrong.
The
18.76 divided by. Oh, I know. This is 65. 90
Oh.
degree, man.
Yee.
Yes.
Got it.
Times 18.76.
So back to your question, how you can do so fast? Because it's like this. Yeah. Don't draw the Tuakaso. The Tuakaso, you know. Okay. Okay, Tuakaso, yeah. Okay, triangle. Don't do anything. Don't say anything. I'm asking these two. Okay, like
Mhm.
this is A, B, C.
Where are you?
And if I ask this to student, then the student says, wait, Mr. C, wait. I want to, I mark first lah. This one is opposite. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent.
Sounds
Then
like
I
us.
do, oh, tangent first. Tangent 40 is equals to this thing. Are you allowed to do that? No.
Yeah.
That you're allowed to do that time, sec 2. Now cannot.
Maybe go back to sec
It's
2.
an insult to IB. Give me AB now. Press calculator. Don't talk, don't write. Give me. Give me AB.
Maybe, right?
Yeah. Press
AP.
calculator, don't write anything on paper.
Okay. $9.137. Is it?
No.
Huh?
Which one? AB, right?
Mm.
10.89.
Oh,
10.89.
did I achieve? No.
This 7 is not touching the angle. See, it's not touching.
Uh-huh. So
So you use sine or cosine?
not
Sine.
touching sine.
Sine. Yeah. So 7 times sine or 7
Divide.
divided by sine. Divide.
Divide.
Why?
Because it needs to be longer than 7.
Yes. Correct. Don't do sec 2 method.
Mrs. Chen
Give
is
me here.
teaching sec 2 method.
Yeah. Give me here. Give me.
Okay,
Yes.
wait.
Okay.
I'm still very slow at this.
Give
So
me
because
AC.
we know that 7 is the opposite, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Then you draw. Then you draw. Wait, Mr. C.
No,
This
no,
is
no,
opposite.
no. We know it's 7. Hey, where did it go? Oh, do I just use the 10.89? That's easier.
Yeah. Use the 10.89.
Okay.
8.34.
Good. Yeah.
Yes, I got it.
Why?
Cos
How do you do that?
cosine, cos it's
Cosine.
touching the angle. And
Yeah.
then you times because you're trying to get something smaller.
Yeah. Correct.
Wait, but how do I do it if I'm using 7? Is that possible?
7.
Yeah. If I
You
don't
go
know
here
7,
first. Wait.
Yeah.
You go here. Divide by sine times cosine. Means divide by tangent. Because sine over cosine is tangent.
So I must still find AB first lah. Can of?
No need. You visualize here.
Mhm.
Divide by sine times cosine.
The heck?
Oh.
Means divide by tangent. You
Got
understand?
it. Because tangent
Because
is
tangent is sine over cosine.
got it. Really, I just squishing the steps together.
Yeah. Putting the step together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't need to write down one by one. You just divide by tangent. Yeah.
Divide by tangent.
Yeah.
So 7 divided by tangent 40.
Tangent 40. How much you get?
Oh. 8.3.
8.34.
Mm.
Oh my god.
But
Oh, okay,
Mm.
got it.
but if that is to find AC, right?
That means if from here to
Okay.
here is from here to here, you divide by cosine times sine. Times tangent.
Mm,
Yes.
yes, I think I can look at it.
Using my precious 15 minutes to teach Sec 2.
We don't learn this. We still draw triangles.
It's an insult.
You need to teach Mrs. Chen, then Mrs. Chen will.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay. Yeah, this is how you can do it quickly. Yeah.
Mhm.
Which one you have difficulty? 16 no problem, right? 16 is easy.
Mhm. Let me see. Yeah. Can
Yeah,
now.
16 is easy. This is the thing. That's it. Yeah.
For 18, right?
18.
The time in